Welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS. This is subject Library and Information Science. Code number for this subject is 339. This video is for senior secondary level. We are doing lesson number 4. Name of the lesson is shown on screen. It is 5 Laws of Library Science. This video is part 5. There are basically 5 laws of library. We already have discussed law number 1 and law number 2. In this video, we will be discussing law number 3. Third law of library science states that every book, its reader. It states that maximum use of books is by the readers. And it urges that an appropriate reader should be found for every book. Let us now understand this third law in more detail. These are the implications of the third law. These are basically 6 in numbers. The first implication of third law talks about open access. In an open access system, the reader is allowed to select books or items on the shelves on his or her own. It increases the use of the books. Open access, thus, it helps in achieving the third law. The second implication of the third law talks about self-arrangements. This law emphasizes on the need to arrange the books on shelves in classified sequence based on their thought content. This arrangement brings books on the same subject together for easy browsing. If the shelf area is provided with well-devised guides and labels, the use of each item increases. The third implication of third law talks about easy access. This is another important factor helping every book to get its reader. It is that the book may be placed within the easy reach of the readers. The third law emphasizes that the height of the racks should not be more than the average height of the readers. That is, the topmost shelf of the book rack should be within easy reach of a person of average height, and the shelf should not have more breadth than required. The fourth implication of the third law talks about catalog. This third law also advocates that the library catalog should play an important role to provide every book to its reader. Subject analytical entries help in finding readers for a suitable book. There are series entries and subject cross-reference entries. The series entries provide information about the whole set of books to the reader. In alphabetical part of the catalog, all the entries having the same series as the headings are brought together. In the classified part of the catalog, subject cross-reference entries help to find a specific reader for the document having a subject as the heading. It also indicates that the book is placed under different subjects. The fifth implication of the third law talks about publicity. Publicity through annual reports, library bulletins, and magazines, printed catalogs, subject book list of latest editions, etc., is a powerful technique to attract the attention of the readers to find every book its reader. The sixth implication of the third law talks about display of books. The newly added books to the library should be displayed as it enhances the chance of every book to find its reader. Thank you.